We're going to work a little on Kingsbridge March today, and we're going to just jump in right at measure 22. If you're struggling with some of the lower notes, I've got the lower notes written on the board for our G, A, B, and C. Violas are the top line, and cello bass is the bottom line. The first thing I want to do at 22 is going to be kind of weird. I just want to play each of the notes without changing our rhythm. So I'll demonstrate. And it starts on an E. So I'm playing just the notes without any extra rhythm. So here we are, we're going to play this together. I'll say 3, 4, and then every single note is just one count. 3, 4. Over to C. Let's try that again, same speed. 3, 4. Now I'd like to play just measure 22 in the rhythm that is printed. So it's 1, 2 triplet, 3, 4. One more time, set up your E, 3, 4. Now let's try measure 23. So play the first note of 23 and play the next note. So you have to move over from the G to the C. Here we go on 23. 3, 4. 3 and 4. One more time. 3, 4. 3 and 4. Now let's put those two measures together in rhythm now. 3, 4. 3 and 4. Focusing on just the notes is a great practice strategy. Then your brain doesn't have to be terrorized by the rhythm if it's going too quickly, so you can just focus on figuring out what the notes are and then add the rhythm later. Now let's go to measure 21. This starts on a B. You can remind yourself with the chart behind me. Viola's second finger, cello's third finger, and bass first finger. Here we go at 21. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Up again. F sharp. Over to C. 3 and 4. One more time at 21. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 3 hook bow. 3 and 4. Now find measure 19 and let's just work this set of notes since they kind of jump down to some low notes again. I'll demonstrate. It starts on a G, 1 and 2, then it goes down to B, and then back up to D. Here we go together now at 19. So set up the G, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. One more time. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Now we're going to go back to 17 and play all the way up to 25. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Hook, bow. 1 and 2. Over to the B. 1, 2, 3, hook, bow. 3 and 4. Let's go from 17 to 25 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Hook, bow. 1 and 2. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and hook. 3 and 4. Now cello, viola, you can see the C string notes behind me on the chart. Viola's on the top line and cello's on the bottom. And let's jump in with these notes at measure 33, where we did the note speller just before winter break. So if you look through those notes again, use the chart to help, think those letters. E, C, D, over to A. Let's play them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Okay, again, just kind of peek at them and memorize them a little bit. Now look over at 29. Now we have C, G, E, D. Let's do what we did earlier, where we play every single note, separate bows, all the same speed. So 29, every note. 3, 4. C, G, E, D. And then it goes over to A. Let's do that again. 3, 4. C, G, E, D. Now let's do that in rhythm. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work from 29 to 34. Set up your C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Low D. Over to first finger low A. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. G then E. 1, 2, 3. One more time. I'll give you fewer reminders. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you play the long 3-count notes, try to look ahead and figure out what the letter is of the next note you have to play. Let's go to 26 now. It starts on count 4 with an up bow, and it goes from our G string to our C string and then back to low A. So we're going to just be expanding this area. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. D, 2 over to the A. B, 2, 3, third finger E. 2, 3. Sorry, violas, for you guys, that E was second finger. I just got so into my cello playing. Now I want you to examine the notes from 34 down to the end of 42. And I want you to notice that it's almost identical to what we just played until we get to the end of measure 40. Then they pick different notes right there. Okay, so let's try this. We're going to start at 26 and let's play all the way down to the end of 42 and just see what happens. Up bow start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Over to E. 2, 3. B. 1, 2, 3. E. 1, 2, 3. C. 1, 2, 3. 2. Even G. Over to D string. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go back to 17 and play all the way down to 42. Bow on string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Bow lift. 1, 2, 3 and hook. 4, 25. 2, 3, 4, 26. 2 up bow. 1, 2. 1, I hope you use these videos more than once to help you get comfortable and confident in what we've worked on. If you use them a second time, you can count that as practice time. The first time is the class that the video is assigned for. Please reach out if you have any questions or if there's anything that we can do to help you.